Welcome back, gorgeous mama. Today we're tackling a super important topic that can feel overwhelming: 10 healthy habits for students. If you are wanting to teach healthy habits for kids, how to develop good habits, and how to build a habit, but you are feeling overwhelmed, always tired, extremely burnt out from parenting, and you have zero help from extended family, you have found the right video. This video will give you real practical steps that ease that feeling of overwhelm and give you that help from your new extended family, me, and this community. Hi, I'm Stephanie Calderon. I'm mom to 2 daughters, ages 15 and 10, been married for 17 years to my best friend, essential oil educator, certified essential oil specialist, and someone who has learned hands-on natural health tips and has been sharing what I've learned over the past 15 years. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. If you stick around to the end, you will be able to access our free kids-safe essential oil list so you know what essential oils you can use and when for your kiddos. Before you dive into the list of 10 healthy habits for students, let's be clear. Remember, you are already feeling overwhelmed and extremely burnt out. Take this list as a battle plan on how to develop good habits. You are not going to tackle everything at once. You are going to pick one at a time to focus on until that is a habit, and then you will add a new one from the list of 10 healthy habits for students. And these are examples of healthy habits to get you started. So remember, one at a time. Okay, mama? Deep breath. You got this. Let's go. First things first, let's unlock the secret on how to develop good habits. Remember, the magic is in making these healthy habits for kids fun and engaging. It's about setting up our kids for success in a joyful way. So let's get started on these productivity hacks and turn these healthy habits for kids into our kids' daily adventures. Number 1. Healthy habit number 1 on our list is healthy eating for kids, which is foundational for a healthy lifestyle for kids. We've all heard it, but how do we make it fun for kids? I know you know this, mama, but let's just review because reminders in your hectic, overwhelming schedule are important. Let's talk about why healthy eating for kids is so important. It's not just about physical growth. It's about setting up lifelong healthy eating habits. Good nutrition can affect everything from their energy levels to their ability to concentrate in school. One of the best tips is to involve your kids in meal planning. Let them choose some healthy food they'd like to try each week when you're shopping at the grocery store. This gives them a sense of ownership and excitement about what they're eating. Make food fun. Use cookie cutters to create different shapes out of fruits and veggies, or turn meal prep into a fun activity. The more creative the meal looks, the more likely they are to try it. It's also crucial for you to be a moral model. Kids often mimic what their parents do. So if they see you enjoying nutritious foods, they're more likely to follow suit. Share meals together and make it a family affair. Education is key. Teach your kids about the benefits of eating healthy in a way they can understand. Create a simple chart that shows what nutrients they get from different foods and how it helps their body and their mind. Remember, patience is essential. Introduce new foods slowly and don't give up if they don't like something the first time. It often takes multiple tries before a child accepts a new food. Avoid turning mealtime into a battleground. We have enough of those. Offer choices, but don't force food. Encouraging to take just one bite can sometimes lead to more. Don't forget about the snacks. Healthy snacking can be a great way to get those extra nutrients in. Think whole fruits, nuts, yogurt, or homemade granola bars. Healthy habit number 2. Next is regular physical activity. A family hike or a dance off in the living room. Staying active just isn't good for the body, but also for their minds. Regular physical activity is crucial for kids. It's about building confidence, social skills, and even improving academic performance and academic success. Our goal is to make fun exercise for kids and a natural part of their daily life. The best way to encourage your kids is to lead by example. Join them. Whether it's a game of soccer, a family bike ride, or just a walk in the park, showing them that you're active and enjoying it makes a huge difference. Kids love games, so turn physical activity into playtime. Create a backyard obstacle course, have a dance-off, or a friendly race. The key is to make it exciting and something they look forward to, so it's a fun exercise for kids. Sports are a great way to get kids active. Encourage them to try different sports to find what they enjoy. It could be team sports like soccer or individual activities like swimming or martial arts. In this digital age, use technology to your advantage, mama. There are plenty of apps and video games designed to get kids moving. These can be particularly useful on days when outdoor play isn't possible. Promote walking or bike riding instead of driving to nearby places. It's a simple yet effective way to add more activity to their day, and it's also great for the environment. Plan regular family outings, making it fun for everybody. Hiking, beach days, or even visiting a trampoline park can be a blast. These outings are not just good for physical health, but also for family bonding. Chores can be active too. Gardening, raking leaves, or washing the car are great ways to just get moving. Plus, it teaches responsibility and teamwork. Healthy habit number 3. Sleep is a superpower. Setting a regular bedtime and creating a calm evening routine can work wonders. First, let's understand why good sleep is important for children. It's just not about getting enough hours, but ensuring that the sleep is deep and restful. Quality sleep is vital for their growth, improving academic performance and overall health. Did you know when we sleep, our brain actually cleans itself? Think inside out, but not as colorful. A consistent bedtime routine is key. Start winding down an hour before bed with quiet activities. This signals to your child's body that it's time to slow down and prepare for sleep. Did you know that essential oils can be a natural sleep aid for children, so they can become an amazing part of your bedtime routine? This is how to use essential oils for sleep. One of my natural sleep aids for children is doTERRA's Serenity Restful Blend. This oil is a game changer for sleep. It has a soothing aroma that sets the perfect stage for a good night's sleep. Just a few drops in a diffuser in your child's room and it can work wonders. Lavender oil is also known for its calming properties. You can add a drop to your child's pillow or mix it with a carrier oil and apply it to the bottom of their feet as part of their bedtime routine. Limit screen time before bed. The blue lights from the screen can interfere with the natural sleep cycle. Encourage reading a book or listening to soft music instead. Creating a comfortable environment is crucial. Make sure the room is dark, cool, and quiet. You might consider using blackout curtains and ensuring their bed and pillows are comfortable. Another wonderful product is doTERRA's Breathe Respiratory Blend. This can help create a restful environment. It's especially useful when your child is congested. Ensure your child also gets enough physical activity during the day. Active play and exercise can help extend energy, making it easier for them to fall asleep at night. Isn't it cool how several of these habits interlink, making your job even easier? Healthy habit number 4, water is life. Understanding more can be very powerful to help cement in this new habit. Let's start by understanding why staying hydrated is so important for our little ones. Water is essential for virtually every function in the body. It aids in digestion, improves concentration, which will be improving academic performance, keeps healthy joints, and even helps regulate body temperature. For active and growing kids, it's even more crucial. How do you know, though, if your child is drinking enough? Look for signs of dehydration like fatigue, dizziness, dry mouth, and fewer trips to the bathroom. These are signals that the body needs more fluid. Some kids might find plain water kind of boring. Adults do too. Try adding natural flavors like a slice of lemon, cucumber, or berries. It's a healthy way to make water more appealing without adding sugar or artificial flavors. Make it a family habit. Staying hydrated goals can be effective. You might use a chart to track their water intake and offer a small reward for meeting their daily goal. I know trips to the dollar store with some earned cash is always a hit in our house. Don't forget about water-rich foods. Foods like watermelon, strawberries, oranges, or vegetables like cucumbers and bell peppers can contribute to your child's hydration. Kids can be so absorbed in their play they forget to drink water, just like we do as adults. Remember, regular reminders or setting a specific water base can be a helpful nudge. For more information on why water is so important to the body and to encourage drinking enough water, check out this video. Healthy habit number 5, mindfulness and mental health. Kids' mental health is as important as their physical health. Teaching mindfulness through simple breathing, exercising, or gratitude practices can be very effective to help your kids' mental health. Let's start by understanding what mindfulness means for our children. It's about helping them become aware of their thoughts and feelings in a way that's calm and non-reactive. This is especially important in today's fast-paced world, which can often be overwhelming for young minds. Practicing mindfulness can significantly benefit kids and improves focus, reduces stress and anxiety, and enhances emotional regulation. This leads to better behavior, strong relationships, and can even boost academic performance. There are many simple exercises to introduce mindfulness to kids. Breathing exercises like taking slow, deep breaths can help center their mind. Or try a listening walk where you both focus on the sounds around you, fully immersing in the present moment. doTERRA essential oils can be a wonderful addition to the mindfulness practices. For instance, Balanced Blend helps promote tranquility, while lavender oil is perfect for creating a calming atmosphere during mindfulness exercises. Create a designated mindful space in your home. This could be a cozy corner with cushions, some plants, and a diffuser emitting soothing doTERRA essential oils like frankincense, which is known for its grounding properties. Engage your kids in mindful activities like coloring or crafts. These activities encourage focus and creativity, while the act of coloring or crafting can be therapeutic and calming, especially combined with the gentle aroma of essential oils. Encourage your child to reflect on their day. Sharing 3 things that they are grateful for at dinner or bedtime helps develop a positive mindset and develops positive kids' mental health. You can enhance this practice with a calming scent like serenity. Yoga or gentle stretching is another excellent way for kids to practice mindfulness. The combination of movement and breathing helps bring attention to the present. Introduce a refreshing scent like peppermint or wild orange to invigorate their session. To learn more about specific oils to help your kids, check out this video. Healthy habit number 6. Managing screen time is crucial. First, let's discuss why managing screen time is important. Excess use of screens can affect sleep, physical health, and even their social skills. Back to how habits can interact with others, making your job easier. It's all about finding that balance where technology becomes a tool for learning and creativity, but not a 24/7 distraction. Set clear boundaries. Establish specific times when screens are allowed to be used and when they're not, such as during meals or before bedtime. Consistency is key here, and it helps kids understand and respect these guidelines. Encourage other activities. Physical play, reading, creative hobbies are essential for a child's development. Offer fun alternative to screen time, like family game nights or outdoor adventures. Be a role model. Kids often mirror our habits, and I know this is one I'm working on. If they see you put down your phone to engage in other activities, they're more likely to do the same. Show them there's a time for screens and a time for other aspects of life. Create a tech-free zone in your home. Certain areas like bedrooms and the dining room can be designated as screen-free zones to encourage healthy habits and better sleep. Focus quality over quantity. Not all screen time is equal. Prioritize educational and creative content over passive consumption. Discuss with your kids about what they're watching or playing and engage with them on it. Use screen time as a reward. This can be an effective way to motivate kids to complete chores, homework, or engage in physical activity. It teaches them to value and manage their screen time better. Encourage regular breaks and eye care. Teach your kids the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This can reduce eye strain. Healthy habit number 7. Personal hygiene. It's just more than just keeping clean. It's a crucial aspect of maintaining health and preventing illness. It also plays a significant role in self-esteem and confidence. Teaching our kids the importance of these habits from a young age sets them up for a lifetime of good health and self-care. Let's start with hand washing, the first line of defense against germs. Make it a routine before and after meals, post playtime, and after using the restroom, of course. To make it fun, sing a song that lasts about 20 seconds, the recommended time for effective hand washing. Next is dental care. Encourage brushing teeth twice a day, and flossing is key to oral health. You can make this more engaging by letting them choose their toothbrush. We has also found that a water pick is much more manageable tool than flossing with the same outcome. As kids get older and more independent, we sometimes forget that they still need to be taught things that are so routine for us, like how to properly wash their hair and their body. Use this time to teach them about washing different parts of the body and their hair. Don't forget nail hygiene. Keeping nails trimmed and clean prevents the buildup of dirt and germs. Personal grooming and dressing neatly play a huge part in how your child feels about themselves. Encourage them to take pride in their appearance. Choose their outfits and develop their own sense of style. Creating a routine is crucial. Consistency helps these practices become second nature. Use charts or reward systems again to encourage your younger children and openly discuss the importance of hygiene with older children. Healthy habit number 8. Positive social interaction. Social skills are more than just making friends. They're about learning to communicate, empathize, and interact effectively with others. These skills are crucial for personal and academic success. They help your child build self-esteem and navigate the world around them confidently. One of the best ways to encourage positive social interactions is to lead by example. I know this can be hard in your already busy schedule, but show your children how to be kind, listen actively, and be respectful in conversations with others. Your behavior sets a template for how they will interact with others. Group activities, whether it's sports, clubs, playdates, provide excellent opportunities for social learning for them and for us to get social interaction. They help them understand teamwork, cooperation, and dealing with different perspectives. Empathy is key. Teach your children to understand and respect the feelings of others. Simple activities like reading stories and discussing characters' emotions can be effective ways to develop empathy. Good communication is at the heart of positive social interactions. Encourage your kids to express themselves clearly and listen when others speak. Teach your children healthy ways to resolve conflict. It's important they learn to voice their opinions respectfully and find common ground. Healthy habit number 9. Supplements for kids. Kids have a unique nutritional needs for their growing bodies and minds. While a balanced diet is key, supplements for kids can fill in the gaps and ensure they get a full spectrum of essential nutrients. It's about supporting their growth, learning, and overall well-being. doTERRA offers a range of supplements tailored for children. Their formulations are designed to be safe and effective, providing the right balance of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. doTERRA's A to Z Chewable is a balanced, all-in-one dietary supplement developed for children. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It supports healthy brain development and immune function. The chewable form makes it kid-friendly, easy to take, and the perfect supplements for kids. Next, we have the doTERRA IQ Omega. This is omega-3 fatty acids are vital for the brain health, and this fish oil supplement is designed specifically for kids. It supports brain health, cognitive function, and overall well-being. Plus, its wild orange flavor helps mask that fishy taste, making it more palatable for little ones. Incorporating these supplements into your kids' daily routine can be seamless. Pair them with meals to make it a natural part of their day. Supplementing your child's diet with quality products like these from doTERRA can be a smart way to boost their health. As always, it is best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement into their regime. And last, healthy habit number 10. Let's talk about why nature is so beneficial for kids. Nature exposure boosts physical health, enhances mental well-being, and nurtures a sense of wonder. It's a holistic approach to raising happy, healthy kids. Getting kids involved in outdoor activities isn't just fun, it's essential for their development. Activities like gardening allow kids to learn about life cycle, understand responsibility, and feel the joy of nurturing something. Plus, it's hands-on learning about nutrition and science. Nature walks are another fantastic way to connect. They're not just walks, they're adventures. Encourage your kids to observe, ask questions, and maybe even keep a nature journal. It's about sparking curiosity and a love for the environment. Remember, unstructured play in nature is crucial. Climbing trees, jumping in puddles, or just running around are excellent for their physical health, creativity, and building independence. It's in these moments that kids learn to risk, fail, succeed, and grow. Nature is also a perfect setting for mindfulness. Simple activities like listening to bird songs, watching clouds, or feeling different textures in nature can be calming and grounding. Remember, these are just examples of healthy habits. The goal is to adapt and apply them in a way that fits in your family's lifestyle. To all my mom friends out there who are doing their best every day, keep going. Your efforts are creating a healthier, happier generation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. And if you have any tips or experience to share, drop a comment below. I love reading them and the community does as well. Let's continue this journey together. As promised, you can download your free copy of Kids Safe Essential Oils list. You can find the link in the description and it's going to be pinned in the comments. Go snag it now to have this amazing free resource at your fingertips.